All right, October 25th, 2025. I was very much into masks in the early 1970s, and I did a number of drawings of masks. Thank you, Dr. Shi. Great feedback. Beautiful. Okay, this is dated April 11th, 1974. I was living in Champaign. I probably drew this from something on campus at the University of Illinois at Urbana. I was in Champaign, Urbana during my freshman year at Parkland Junior College. Felt tip pens, a bit of it's kind of faded, but otherwise intact. Well, there was the Cranard Art Museum, and I remember another building on campus which had things related to anthropology. It might have been there. What else do we have? This is undated, but 1973. I might have added that later. Helmet mask worn by men in ceremonial dances for their major cult do. Upper Volta Bobo Fing tribe. A sketch of a Fernand Léger sculpture. Great black and red branch from 1951. I have to look and see what it is. Maybe I could have been in Chicago. I used to love going to the Art Institute. 1973, stone memorial to a village head. A Khoi tribe, eastern Nigeria, low relief. Thank you for the feedback again, Dr. G. Enjoy your dinner in there. Where's Prime Minister Martha? What you doing? Okay, sleep time soon, so have your dinner. All right. So, one more. Might be two. What do we have here? Whatever that was is torn off. Probably 1971, which is before I moved to Champaign, Urbana. Might have lived in New York. All right, there you have it.